songs when I don't have my guitar. You know, I beat around on the dashboard of my car when I'm riding around writing songs. But then I have a little rhythm that we can do with these acrylic nails. Can you do that?
Yep.
Oh, good. You want to play a little song for them? Get up close to your microphone. We're mic'd right down in here. Get up close to it. Okay.
That's cute.
Can you hear that?
See, we did plan this, but we didn't know how it was going to sound.
Well, we were
Sounds
planning
real
to see if
cute.
we could do something like, Mama's little children love shortening, shortening. Mama's little children love shortening bread. Mama's little children love shortening, shortening. Mama's little children love shortening bread. Play it, Patty.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I